Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kullur Krishnayar from Moogambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 7th October 2025, Puratasi Masam 21st, Tuesday, Vishwasnama Samvalsaram, Dakshinayanam, Varsha Ridho, Puratasi Masam, that is Kanya Masam, Shukla Paksham, Tithi up to 9:53 a.m. Paurnami, then Pradhamai, Bhauma Vasaram, that is Tuesday, Nakshatram up to 7 a.m. Uttartadi, then Revadi, Rahu Alam 3 to 4:30 p.m. Yamagandam 9 to 10:30 a.m. Guligalam 12 to 1:30 p.m. Today's good time 7:30 to 9 a.m. then 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. Today's sunrise at 6:05 a.m. Indian time. Chandrashtam for Simha Rashi. Shulam North. Prayachitam Milk. Shraddha Tithi Pradhamai. Om Sri Matre Namaha.